how you can buy from Yupoo with Superbuy. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, go to the Yupoo website and find the item you like. When you see something you want to buy, copy the image link. Now, go to the Superbuy website and log into your account. Click the Buy From Me button. Then paste the image link from Yupoo into the box. You can also click on the search bar and enter the link you copied. After that, hit the search button. Now you need to fill out some details like the name of the item, a short description, the size, color, and price from the seller. If you don't know the price, you can message the seller on WeChat. Once all the details are filled, click on Submit. The Superbuy team will check your request. After it's reviewed, you'll see the product page with the real price and shipping fee. Click Add to Cart and then Buy Now. Pay using your favorite payment method. Now wait for your item to reach Superbuy's warehouse. When it arrives, go to My Warehouse and choose your item. Click Submit Delivery Order. Pick your international shipping. Write how much it's worth and add insurance if you want. Make the payment and then track your package. Shipping time depends on where you live and the shipping you picked. And that's it. That's how you can buy from Yupoo with Superbuy.